So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can learn binary tree concept with visualization for easy learning and for easy understanding. Now in order to do it, you don't need to pay anything, just simply open any of the browser you have over any device. For example, if I open the Google Chrome browser on my system and here I have to search for visualgo.net. Once I search for this website, just simply go to this URL. You can see it's right here, and here you have to scroll down until you see the option of binary trees. Let's scroll down, and here you can see multiple binary trees are available, like binary search tree and binary heap that I can learn. For example, let's just select for an instance binary search tree, and I can see the visualized concepts that I can learn from this website for free. And I can get the multiple properties such as binary search tree, the EVL tree, the insertion, the creation, all for free. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.